Kalinga, Orola, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan, Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Liti, Cagayan, Bulacan, and Palawan. Kalinga, Orola, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan, Basilan, Salo, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan, and Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos, Tarlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Capiz Valley, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur, and Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Sibugay, and del Sur, Albay, Zamboanga del Norte, din, del Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of the mabuhay. These are the Philippine provinces. In our 7,107 islands, Davao Oriental and Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Negros Oriental and Occidental, Siquijor Mountain, Southern Leyte, South Cotabato, Catanduanes, Sultan Kudarat, Pangasinan, Misamis Oriental, Iloilo, Locahamar, and the Eastern, Surigao del Norte and the Sur, Misamis Occidental, Samar, Lanao del Norte and the Sur, Oriental, Mindoro, and Lisa, Benguet, Antique, and Marinduque, Dinagat Islands, then Romdon, Quirino, Apayao, and Cotabato, Occidental, Mindoro, La Union. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them mabuhay. These are the Philippine provinces in our 7,107 islands.